Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to remove your display picture on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to change your avatar or just take a break from your current image, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Easy enough, right? Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will take you to the profile settings. Next, let's tap on Edit Profile. From here, you'll see your current profile picture again. Tap on it. You should notice a small pencil icon pop up. Give that a tap. Now it's time to choose Remove Avatar. Confirm that you want to remove your current image. Don't worry if you want to replace it right away. Simply select a new photo from your gallery or snap a fresh one. Feel free to adjust the image as needed to make it just perfect. Lastly, don't forget to tap the check icon at the top right to finalize your updates. And there you have it. Your display picture is now successfully removed or updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.